ever seen a creature pass by here?
Is this motorcycle your motorcycle? Okay.
Sorry, I just need to take control of your body for a moment.
Wait. Left, not right. No.